Hi everybody, thank you for taking a look at my brand new software, WordPress Voice over IP Phone System. Today I'm going to give you a breakdown of all of its features and why this is a product that you want. First of all, with any product there are two questions. What is it? And why would I want it? Well, let's go ahead and answer that first question. So this plugin is a plugin that allows you to create a custom phone system for your business right from your WordPress website. Yes, it is a WordPress plugin, so it seamlessly integrates right into WordPress. You activate it right there. You're up and running within seconds. Also, all your numbers are bought through Twilio. That means you get the powerful efficiency and reliability of a large company's fast servers. And lastly, it's all set up using an easy-to-use graphic user interface. So the next question is, why would I want it? Well, that's simple. The main thing about this plugin that makes it such a great opportunity for developers and internet marketers as well as business owners is it is affordable and easy. So many business owners think that they can't afford or figure out how to set up a complicated phone system, and they end up just using their cell phone. They put their private cell phones on advertisements and websites. Well, WordPress Voice over IP Phone System fixes that and makes it possible for even businesses with a small budget to have a big budget, big business phone system. This creates a huge opportunity for developers and marketers. That entire market has just opened of offline and online businesses that don't have a proper phone system. Website developers can even make a business in a box model to sell, maybe themed, and then throw in a phone system for added value. There's even the possibility of passive income for hosting and maintaining phone systems as well as their website. And there's a lot of opportunities for repeat customers through add-ons and new features that are going to be released with this phone system. In the end, the WordPress Voice over IP Phone System gives you access to a whole new market by being affordable and easy. So let's take a look at just how affordable it is. So let's take a look at how this compares to other options. With phone systems, there generally are just two options. One is hardware. The thing with hardware, though, is you have to buy the hardware. This hardware, buying these switchboards, installing them, buying all the hard phone systems, this can reach up to thousands and thousands of dollars. And also, these complicated systems generally need an IT team to set them up, manage them, and fix them. For the most part, large enterprises and corporations use this option, and because they are the only ones that can afford to do it. The other option is software. Voice over IP has really revolutionized the field of phone systems. The only issue is it hasn't made it any less complex. Monthly prices can range about between $25 to up to $200 every month, and generally the cheaper ones are more complicated and require more from you. The more expensive ones pay for hosting and have the graphic user interface and make it easier. So even though you can get easy options, they aren't necessarily cheap. This is where the voice over IP phone system really beats its competitors. First off, we use Twilio. Twilio is a great place because not only can you buy local numbers in your area, you can also buy toll-free numbers. And prices at Twilio are amazing. They're $1 a month, starting at $1 a month, and as that goes up to maybe $2 a month, and then at 1 cent a minute to 3 cents a minute. The reason this can be low is because Twilio provides absolutely no user interface whatsoever. It's all code, and that's where WordPress Voice over IP Phone System comes in. The only other price that you would need to pay other than the $1 a month and the cent a minute is the actual plugin itself. Rather than a monthly subscription for hosting the user interface on their website, it's put on your WordPress installation, so it's a one-time price, and after that, you're done. This can be purchased at wpphonesystems.com for $47, which is already a great price, but currently it is on sale as a WSO, so be sure to act quick and grab it while it's still at a good price. The next part is not only is it affordable, it is easy. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and take you over to the actual plugin itself and give you a quick demo of just how easy it is. Over to the actual plugin itself. Here's the first page. This is where you add the numbers and everything. As you can see, there's no numbers added. I haven't done anything to this yet, so I'm going to take you through the process of creating a simple phone system right from the beginning. First step, add the number. Let's just call it test number for now. There we go. And for the actual number, let's just put in a little fake one over there. And we add it. And there we go. Reloads. Perfect. There it is. And this is just what you would use to connect it to Twilio. You simply paste it just in a box for your number at your account at Twilio. We have instructions for that. It's super easy. No need to worry about that. So let's go ahead and set it up. Here is where you actually set up the phone system itself. We are at the home menu. That means it's the first menu that the caller will get when they call this phone number. So for that, let's go ahead and have it say, thank you for calling my phone system. To hear store hours, press 1. To be forwarded to the owner, press 2. And we'll just do that as our message just for now. And here are some details like what happens if someone doesn't press anything, and if they press the wrong thing. We'll leave those blank for now since those aren't too important for this demonstration, but we need to add 1 and 2. So you click over here and it asks us if we want to add it. We say add, and let's go ahead and add 2 as well. And now whenever someone has the option to press 1 or 2. So let's go to the key press 1 menu. We're right here at the key press 1 menu. And we'll have it say another message. Our store hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Pretty simple. And let's go ahead and save that again. These are just some details. And let's go back to the home menu. And now let's go to the key press 2 menu. Perfect. So here, what we want to do is say what we actually want to do. Instead of playing a message, we want to forward to a number. Here's where you change that action. And it changes the screen a little bit. Let's go ahead and have our fake number in here again one more time. Add that. And now it will forward to this number. These are just some of the details, like the caller ID you want to display, where you want recordings to be sent if you enable it. For now, the message that it will read before it forwards will be forwarding you to the owner. Perfect. And I will save those changes. And just like that, it's done. It has set something for key press 2 and for the key press 1, as well as the home menu. And we're all done, and it just took a few minutes. So that just goes to show how easy it is to use this system and how quickly you can set it up and how anybody can actually figure out how to use this. So lastly, I want to just real quick take you over here. So as obviously it's affordable and it's very easy to use, as we just showed. So if you want to actually listen to a sample of this, and I've already set up a menu that's a little bit more complicated and shows you just what it can do, you can call this number 503-877-1221. Just keep in mind that your phone rates will apply. It is not a toll-free number, and it is in the US, so if you're calling outside of the US, there will be international charges. And lastly, I just want to say, be sure to check out at the bottom. There's some bonus content for you developers and internet marketers, some flyers, some templates that you can put in your website to help you advertise it in your website. And yeah, so feel free to take a look at it. Thanks for taking a look.